Welcome to SPSC online classes, and I am your maths teacher. And students, now we are going to solve math assignment number 9 of grade 5. Okay, in this assignment we will learn about the order of operation. Fine. And students, as we are doing chapter number 2, and in chapter number 2 we also learn different points as multiplication rules and division rules. So first we will repeat, we will revise previous one, and then we will start the new topic. Okay, as we already done multiplication by 10, multiplication by 100 and multiplication by 1000. That what happened when a number will multiply with 10, 100 and 1000. What will be your answer? So let's suppose a number is 12, and when 12 will multiply with 110, so what will be your answer? As I told you beta, that first we will write that number 12, and then 10 have just 1 0, it means we will write 1 0 more, so it will become 120. And similarly 112 when multiply with 100, so what will be the answer? We will write 12 first, and then 100 have how many 0? 2 0, so we will write 2 0 more, so it will become 1200 or 1200. And now multiplication by 1000, similarly when 12 will multiply with 1000, so what will be the answer? So first we will write 12, and then 1000 have how many zeros? 3 0, so we will increase 3 0 more, so it will become 12,000. Understood beta? Okay, and we also learn about the division rule, that what happen when a number will divide by 10, 100 and 1000. So let a number is 14. When 14 will divide by 10, so what will be the answer? As we already learned about the division rule, that when a number will divide by 10, 100 and 1000, so we will check that how many zeros in the denominator. 10 have just 1 0, it means in denominator just 1 0, so we will write point after one digit. So we will start from the right side 1, so it will become 1.4. 1.4 is your answer, and this number is called the decimal number. Why? Because this number has decimal point. Due to the decimal point, this number is called the decimal point. And now what happened when 14 will divide by 100? So we will check that how many zeros in the denominator? 1 2. It means point will write after 2 digits, so it will become 0.14. This is your final answer. And similarly when 14 divided by 1000, so what will be the answer? 1000 have 3 zeros, 1 2 3, so we will write point after 3 digits. There are 2 digits in the denominator, 1 2, so what we will do in this type of the condition? We will write 1 0 more, 0.014, and this is your answer in decimal form. Understood beta? Okay, these are the prior knowledge points. Okay, now come on the new topic. And for the new topic, first open your book. This is your book, Primary Mathematics 5th, 2nd edition. Okay, now turn out page number 41. Okay students, as we are already doing chapter number 2, and now we will start lesson number 3. Lesson number 3 is, the name of lesson is order of operation. Means in this assignment I will tell you about the order of operation, that when an expression have 4 operations or more than 2 operations, so which operation will solve first. Fine. Okay, page number 41. Okay, the name of chapter is order of operation. Order of operations. Okay beta, keep in mind that there are a main rule for order of operation for solve different operations. Okay, as let a expression have four operations, means multiplication, addition, subtraction, and brackets and power. So which operation will solve first? So beta, this is very important points. It's mean first we will solve brackets, then we will come on the powers, we will solve powers, and in the second step we will solve multiplication and addition, and in the fourth, in the last step, we will solve addition and subtraction. Understood beta? Okay, now let expression have two operations. Let's suppose that they are saying in page number 41, expression 24 minus 8 plus 2. This form is called a expression. When any question have more than one operation, you can say that this is a expression. Fine. So when an expression have addition and subtraction sign, so as we know that addition and subtraction sign is the fourth one operation, means fourth one step. So when an expression have both addition and subtraction operations, so which operation will solve first? So in this type of condition, we will start from the left side, and this side is called the left side, and this side is called the right side. So when an expression have same step operations, means fourth step have addition and subtraction both. So fourth step operation have an expression, means any operation have addition and subtraction both operations. So we will start from the left side. So in this situation, again I am saying that we will start from the left side. So first we will subtract 8 from 24. So 24 minus 8. 24 minus 8. What will be the answer? 4. Can we subtract 8 from 4? No. So we will carry from 2. It will become 1 and it will become 14. 14 is a new number. So we will subtract 8 from 14. So what will be the answer? 6. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 6 and 1. So it means 16. When we will subtract 8 from 24, 16 is your answer. Then 16 and write out the second number with sign, with operation, plus 2. It means in the second step, first step as we already done subtraction, and in second step we will do additions. So 16 plus 2, it will become 18. And 18 is your final answer of this expression. Understood beta? Okay. And now similarly, when an expression have addition and multiplication both operation in one expression. So let number 42, page 42. And in question number 2, they are saying find the value of 48 divided by 4 multiply 8. So 48, number 2 expression, 48 divided by 4 multiply 2. So what will be the answer of this expression? So beta, as we know that this expression have division and multiplication both operation, and we know that multiplication and division is the third step in the rules, in the order of operation rules. So when an expression have both operations, division and multiplication, so in this type of situation what we will do? So we will start from the left side. As I told you that when an expression have both operation of any step, means the step number 4 have addition and subtraction, and this expression have addition and subtraction both operation. So in this type of situation we will start from the left side. Similarly here, multiplication and division is the third rule, and this expression have multiplication and division both the rules. So what we will do, we will start from the left side. It's mean this side is called the left side, and this side is called the right side. So we will start from the left side. So beta, what we will do first, we will divide 48 divided by 4. 48 divided by 4, what will be the answer? 48 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4, 0, and then 8, 4 twos are 8, 0. So it means when we will divide 48 by 4, so you will obtain 12. 12 will be your answer. And then multiply 2. In this first step, we will divide, we then divide, and then in the second step, we will multiply. So 12 multiply 2, what will be the answer? 2 twos are 4 and 2 ones are 2. 24 is your final answer of this expression. Understood, beta? Okay. Now come on the third. Okay, question number 3. Question number 3, they are saying find the value of the following. They are saying that find the value of this expression. So 15 minus 9 plus 7. So in this expression have addition and subtraction, both the operations. So in this type of situation, what we will do, as I told you, that we will start from the left side. So first we will do subtraction and then we will add in the second step. Understood, beta? Okay, now come on the part B. So I will do just only one part. Fine, and rest all the parts you will do yourself in your notebook. So come on the part B of question number 3 and page number 42 as we are doing. Okay, question number 3. Question number 3 and part B. And part B is 46 minus 28 then plus 12 minus 10. So look at this expression. This expression have subtraction and addition, both the operations. And as we know that when any expression have more than 2 operations or both operations in one step, in one expression, so what we will do in this type of situation? So beta, we will start from the left side. This side is called left and this one is called the right. Left and right. So we will start from the left side. 46 minus 28. 46 minus 28. What will be the answer? First we will subtract 28 from 46. 6. We can't subtract 8 from 6. So what we will do here? We will carry from 4. So it will become 3 and it will become 16. 16 minus 8, 8, and 3 minus 2, 1. It means 18. When we will subtract 28 from 46, you will get 18. Then write down the next steps. Same, 12 minus 10. Okay, in the second step, what we will do first? We will add, as addition is the first step in this expression. So 18 plus 12, what will be the answer? 18 plus 12. 8 plus 2, 10. 1 plus 1, 2 and 3, 30. Minus 10. You can solve on the rough side. Okay, and in the last, we will subtract 10 from 30. So when we will subtract 10 from 30, you will get 20. And 20 is your final answer of this expression. Understood, beta? Okay. Rest all the parts are your homework. Complete these all the parts in your notebook. Okay. Now come on the question number 4. And question number 4, find the value of 32 minus 6 multiplied to 3. So look at this expression. In this expression, multiplication and subtraction, opposite steps operations are used in this expression. So what we will do in this type of expression, as I told you, when an expression have different operations, mean multiplication, addition and power, so first we will solve which operations. So in this expression multiplication and subtraction is doing, so first we will solve multiplication and then at the end, as they are saying that at the end addition and subtraction will do. So look at the board now. Question 4 and 32 minus 6 multiply 3. So in this type of expression, first we will solve multiplication. 32 will write same, 6 multiply 3, 18, 6 3s are 18, and then at the end in the second step we will subtract 18 from 32. So what will be the answer? 32 subtract 18. So 8 cannot subtract from 2. So we will carry from here. It will become 2 and it will become 12. 12 minus 8, 4. 2 minus 1, 1. So it means when we will subtract 18 from 32, we will get 14. And 14 is final answer of this expression. Understood, beta? Okay. Now let our expression is next question 5. Question 5 is, they are saying that 60 is a number and this number is divided by then small bracket 3 plus 2. So look at the expression. There are addition and divisions operation are doing and small bracket are used. So what we will solve first? As we know that first we will solve brackets. So 60 will write same, divide by 3 plus 2. Solve the brackets. It means we will add 3 plus 2. So what will be the answer? 3 plus 2, 5. And then in the second step we will divide. 60 divided by 5, and it can be right 60 divided by 5 in the fraction form, it's your choice. No, 60 divided by 5, what will be the answer? 5 ones are 5, 6 minus 5, 1, and then 0 will become 10, 5 twos are 10. It means 12 is a final your answer of this expression. Understood, beta? Okay. Now question number 6. These are the practice questions. Question number 6, just like examples. So question number 6, expression is 8 plus 2 multiply 6 minus small bracket 4 multiply 5. So this expression have different operation, multiplications, brackets, addition, subtraction. So in this type of expression, what we will do first? Which operation will solve first? So as we know that first we will solve brackets. It means we will write all the numbers same, 8 plus 2 multiply 6 minus 4 multiply 5, 20. So 8 plus 2 multiply 6, we can write 20 without bracket because 20 is a single number. There are not another number, so we can write without brackets. No, what we will do here, addition and subtraction and multiplication are doing. So first we will solve, first we will do multiplication operation, as multiplication is the third step, and in the end we will add and subtract. Multiplication will do second step. So 6 multiply 2, what will be the answer? 6 multiply 2, 6 2s are 12 minus 20. and no addition and subtraction are doing in this one expression. So in this type of situation we will start from the left side, left, and this side is called the right. So we will start from the left side. It means first we will add 8 plus 12, so it will become 20 minus 20. So when we will subtract 20 minus 20, we will obtain 0. It means 0 answer. 0 is the final answer of this expression. Understood, beta? Okay. Now turn the page. And question number 7. And question 7 is this expression. So it's your task. Fine. Solve this question and find out the answer. So first what we will do in this expression, first we will solve brackets, and then what we will do, add the expression at division and multiplication sign. So which operation will solve first? It's your task now. Find out the question answer and write on here. Fine. Here. Okay. And come on to question number 8. And question number 8, find the value of each of the following. There are some operations, expressions. So solve these expression one by one. So I will do only 1 or 2 parts in this question, and then rest all the parts you will do yourself in your notebook, math notebook. Okay, come on the B part. Page. Okay, now come on the question number 8. Question number 8. Okay, I will do only 1 or 2 part in this question, and the rest all the parts you will do yourself in your notebook. Understood, beta? Okay, now come on the part B, and part B is 56 plus 4 multiply 9 then divide by 3. Okay, so this expression have addition, multiplication and division sign. So what we will do first, which operation will solve first? So beta, as we already know that, okay, multiplication and division. In multiplication and division, what we will do first? First we will start, as we are started from the left side, so it means first we will multiply and then we will divide by 3. So 56 plus 4 nines are 36 divide by 3. Then 36 divide by 3. What will be the answer? 36 divide by 3. 3 ones are 3. 0. 6, 3 2s are 6, it's mean 12 plus 12 will your answer. And then in the end, the last step, we will add 2 plus 6, 8, 5 plus 1, 6. 68 is your final answer of this expression. Understood, beta? Okay, now come on the next step. Okay, now come on the last one, F part. And F part is 72 divided by 3 multiply 4 plus 6. So 72. Okay, look at this expression. In this expression, division, multiplication and addition signs are used. Operations are used. So first, what we will do, solve first. As we know that first we will solve brackets. It means we will solve brackets. And in the brackets, 3 will multiply with 4. So what will be the answer? 3 4s are 12. Then plus 16. Okay. No. This expression had division and addition sign. So division has come in the third step and addition has come in the fourth one. It means last step. So first we know that first we will solve division. First we will do divisions expression. So 72 divided by 12. 12. So 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 44, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 sixes are 72. So it means 6 plus 16. And at the end, when we will add 16 plus 6, what will be the answer? 6 plus 6, 12, and 1 plus 1, 2. 22 will your final answer. Understood, beta? Okay. Now, come on the next page number 44. And page number 44 and practice questions. Practice question, find the value of each of the followings. There are some questions and these questions have, these expressions have different signs. So as we already learned that if any expression have more than 2 operations or more different operations means brackets, power, multiplication and divisions, addition and subtraction. So first we will solve brackets and then we will come on the powers and then multiplication and the division. At the end we will do addition and subtraction. Fine? Okay. Now come on the part E. Page number 44. Page 44 and practice questions. Practice question, question number 1, part E. 17 plus 31 minus 18 means, as we know that first we will solve brackets. So 17 plus 31 minus 18. What will be the answer? 31 minus 18. So 8 cannot subtract from 1. So we will carry from here 2, 11, 11 minus 8, 9, 10, 11, 3, 2 minus 1, 1. So it's mean when we will subtract 18 from 31, we will get 13 final answer. Okay, in the next step we will do additions. 7 plus 3, 10. 1 carry, 1 plus 1, 2 and 1, 3. So 30. When we will add 13 in 17, so we will get 30. And 30 is your final answer. Understood, beta? Okay. And now come on the last part, F part. And F part is 100 minus 4 multiply 85 divided by 5. So which operation will solve first? First we will solve brackets, then we will come on the multiplications and addition, division, and then at the end we will do addition and subtraction. So 100 minus 4 multiply 85 divided by 5. What will be the answer? 85 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5, and then 8 minus 5, 3, and then 5 sevens are 35. It means 17. When we will divide 85 by 5, we will get 17 answer. So okay, now look at the expression. In this expression, multiplication and subtraction signs are used. So what we will do? First we will multiply, as we know that multiplication and division is the third step, and then at the end we will do addition and subtraction. So 100 minus 4 multiply 7. 4 sevens are 28. 8 and 2 carry. 4 ones are 4 and 2 6. This means 68. You will check on the rough side. And then 100 minus 68. What will be the answer? 100 minus 68. 0. 8 can't subtract from 0. So we will carry from here. So it will become 0 and it will become 10. And then we will carry from here. So it will become 9 and it will become 10. 10 minus 8, 2. 9 minus 6. So what will be the answer? 3. 32. 32 is final answer of this expression. Understood, beta? Okay. Now rest all the parts are your homework. Complete these all the parts in your notebook. Understood, beta? Now? And come on the second question. Okay, in the second question they are saying that the admission fee to a space museum for adults and children are shown. Okay, adults $32 and child $20, and family pass to adults and 2 children $75. Fine. Okay, now Mr. 10 want to bring his wife and 2 children to the museum. So how much money will he save if he buy the family pass? So no, it's your task, beta. As they are saying that Mr. 10 want to bring his wife. Mr. 10 and his wife, they are adults and they have 2 children to the museum, and we know that the adults have $22 admission fee and the child admission fee is $20, and family pass included 2 adults and 2 children, and the admission fee is $75. So Mr. 10 want to bring his wife and 2 children to the museum. So how much money will he save if he buy the family pass? So find out the answer of this question. It's your task. Understood, beta? Okay.